Hey CCM, it's a rainy winter's morning. We've unwrapped a DPF that's been sent over from Ireland, from County Antrim. We're going to put it in the DPF cleaning machine. Let's just show you quickly what we've got. That is a great big DPF off a Range Rover. You can see one of the guys has already started plumbing it up. This is the contraption, the DPF cleaning machine. Through the big hose will come water and detergent mixed together to help to flush and break down the contaminations within that DPF. And this little fella here we've joined in today, he does a blast of air to help drive that detergent through that DPF. So at the start of the process we'll know what the back pressure is in there, and we'll keep flushing it until all of that contamination and soot is blasted out of that DPF, and it's pretty much as good as new. Be good for another, well, anything from 60 to 100,000 miles, depending on the use of the vehicle and the driving style of the vehicle owner. There we go. Thanks for watching.